Cringe. It's everywhere, all over the internet. You want examples? Morgues, Roblox, and the worst of all, TikTok.
So youngsters are calling the coronavirus boomer remover. Real funny.
Anyways, I'm gonna teach you how to make the most cringe video on YouTube. First things first, you need to be at least 15 or younger or else this won't work. The hyperactive mind of a child just fuels the cringe because they never think before they talk. Next, you need a flawless, cringy intro. Every time you make a video, you have to add something loud and somewhat interesting, then add a 3D spinny intro thing that adds absolutely nothing to your video. I just made the biggest house in Minecraft. Alright, let me just go inside here. Is that Herobrine? Wait, there's one more thing this video is missing. The Bandicam watermark.
It's beautiful.
Now that we have that done, we need an over-the-top, overly enthusiastic intro. So enthusiastic that every depressed person in an 80-mile radius will become happy and have the sudden urge to become a pro cheerleader. Here's an amazing example of this. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Toasty Fry, back with another video. And today, my family died. Car crash. Horrible death. I don't know what to do. The funeral's in 3 weeks, and to be honest, I'm not feeling so hot. So, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Let's try to get 69,000 likes, and I'll do a part 2! Write that down, write that down! Another thing that we need is to tell the viewer to like and subscribe every 15 seconds. But if that's not enough, shove some analytics in their face. Make up a graph or shove a stupid challenge in their face. Morgues did it. We need to edit our cringy video. Editing is the heart of the video. So if we absolutely fuck up the editing, we will succeed in making a cringe video. We need some background music, so a good genre to choose for the max amount of cringe would be some remixed dubstep. Particularly something from Candyland or Fade from Alan Walker. Alright, I really couldn't think of any more ideas, but if you got more, put them in the comments and I'll make a part 2. Join my Discord, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Peace out!